Today we're making a Bakra Eid special, soft and flavourful mutton liver cooked in a unique style. Let's make Mutton Kaleji in an easy and minimal way, soft, juicy and perfect for Bakra Eid. No fancy ingredients, just pure taste and love. First, clean the liver properly and cut it into small pieces. Now mix lemon juice into it and leave it for 20 minutes, then wash with that solution to remove the smell. After that, rinse with water and place it in a strainer. Heat oil in a pan and add white cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Then add crushed garlic and ginger and sauté until their raw smell disappears. Next, add chopped tomatoes and fry them nicely. Toss in whole spices, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf and cardamom, and give it a good stir. Cover and let it simmer on low flame until the tomatoes melt into a rich, spiced base. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add the liver pieces. Now add red chili powder, whole coriander seeds, turmeric and salt. Fry everything well until the masala is nicely roasted. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves, ginger juliennes, and serve hot. Dish it out and serve hot with freshly made roti, a perfect Bakra Eid treat. Top with thin ginger slices to enhance the aroma and flavour. You must try this recipe. I'm sure you'll love how soft and flavourful the kaleji turns out. Who else loves liver like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments.